Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today we will look at the airdrops on Binance's Web3 side. A new airdrop has arrived. It's related to the Kilo X project. We won't spend any money. We will just stake a very small amount. Even if you stake just $1, it's fine. In return, we will receive an airdrop. Of course, I will stake $10 or $15. Then there is a second part. I will explain that part. How can we benefit from this airdrop? We will see these. Especially when the market has a chance to turn for the better and everyone has their laser glasses on, it's beneficial to follow these kinds of airdrops. Let's move on to our video. My friends, I am Monte CryptoContu. Welcome to a new airdrop video. Sometimes airdrops don't yield anything. Sometimes unexpected gains can be very rewarding. That's why we continue farming airdrops. There is an airdrop on Binance's Web3 side. You know, Binance has developed a Web3 wallet. They also do airdrops there from time to time. Without wasting any time, I will start this airdrop now. First, let's give a general summary. This Kilo X airdrop has two parts. The first part and the second part. You can do the first part without doing the second part. In the first part, we will stake. It says you need to stake at least $1 to participate in the airdrop. But if you want, you can stake more, and then we will withdraw it. In the second part, you need to do the future system. You may not activate the second part. It's completely up to you. Since everyone uses mobile, I will explain it through the mobile app. First, I opened the mobile app on my phone. Let's come to the side. Let's bring the app. Now, to open this, to enter this event, there are two methods. One, I leave a link in the video description. When you click there, our campaign opens directly in the mobile app. The other is, I am currently using Binance in English. I clicked on wallets at the bottom right and look above, it says exchange, which is the exchange side. Next to it is Web3. When I click on this, friends, it opens. And now my Web3 is open. We will make an instant transaction with PNB. And look, when we come to the fourth page, join exclusive, it says join the campaign where 3.75 million Kilo X will be distributed exclusively. When you click here, the campaign page opens. The first thing we need to do is say join campaign. This is the most important rule. We said join campaign, and the participation was successfully completed. There are two tasks here. It shows them below as well. Now I will say start mission, and this first task will open. Before doing the task, let's even click on Stegno. I'm coming back. Now, before doing the task, I came back. I'm on the Web3 side. I'm on Binance's Web3 side right now. You need to have a Binance account to participate in this campaign. Since there are a lot of new people coming into the market right now, we will make this announcement from time to time. Please don't get upset. Those who use our referral link for Binance can earn $30 and also join our exclusive Telegram group. And some people say this, teacher, I already went to the member, what should I do? If there is someone around you who has just turned 18 and really needs to use it, you can guide them. You can also take advantage of this reward by joining these groups, my friends. Now everything is complete up to this point. Many people ask about this. Web3. When you click on the Web3 wallet for the first time, let me explain. How will we set up the Web3 wallet? I am currently sending this as a mobile notification. I think it comes here. When you click there, you can learn how to set up and use the Binance Web3 wallet. Everything is fine at this point. Now, Binance's exchange side is separate and the Web3 side is separate. So there are two different wallets within it. You can think of the Web3 wallet as almost belonging to us. Now, to join this campaign, I will transfer a small amount of Tether and a small amount of BNB. Even if you transfer $1 worth of Tether and $1 worth of BNB, it's fine. But I will stake $10, even $20. I will stake $20, then I will withdraw it. We won't spend this at all, so there's no mistake in the video. We won't spend any money, just $1 worth of BNB for transaction fees. Now, actually, there will be a cost of about $0.001 there. So, this is the only thing we are spending. It's like spending maybe 1% of a dollar. Honestly, I don't even consider this as an expense. Now, everything is fine up to this point. Now let's look at transferring money, friends. I clicked on transfer. Look, above there is the Binance Spot Funding wallet. Below is my current wallet. What do I want to transfer? We said we will transfer $1 PNB. As for the network BAP20, which is the BNB chain, is selected. No, for this campaign, we need to transfer money to our OPBNB. Now I clicked on transfer. Look, it says send BNB. It asks how much you want to send. 0.05, 0.005. If you want, you can send $2, or if you want, you can send $1, which is 0.0200. Or if you want to join these kinds of campaigns, you can send $3, $4. Normally, you need to send a minimum of 0.05. In a guide, it was written that $1 is enough. We will send $2.95 for the fees. You can withdraw this back, and friends, I clicked on withdraw and then confirmed it. The transaction is complete. The money will be transferred in a few minutes. We transferred it to pay the BNB gas fees. Now we will transfer it. We will transfer digital dollars, which we call USDT or Tether. I selected USDT. Now, if you are very new to crypto and you randomly came across this airdrop video, I have an educational series where I explain crypto step by step. I am also sending it as a notification. What is Bitcoin really? How does it fit in your mind? How do you make money? You can learn these from that series. Watch that series, friends. The link is also in the video description. I clicked on transfer here as well. Network error, I selected the wrong network. Oops, I will switch to BNB. Oops, I selected BNB. I pressed transfer. How much? Let's say we transfer approximately in the total amount of around $15. For example, we will transfer a $0.1 fee. I pressed withdraw and confirmed it. It will be done later. I already have some money in it. I had it before as well, just so you know. Now I said go to Web3. We completed the money transfer processes. By the way, the video you are watching right now is a reward video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the tweet in the pinned comment will also win 600 teraliters from us, friends. You can see the winner of the previous video on the screen right now. And I came back to the airdrop page and said start mission. That means start the mission. I said stake now, which means stake now. And it directed me to app.kilox. Let's just close these first. I need to connect from the right side first. I need to tie Yutan very carefully. I looked into how I could thoroughly and very carefully tie him. Yes, my wallet is already automatically connected. When you press the 3 lines at the top right, you can see my wallet. Now what will I do first? I will stake, friends. So, investment. For this, look, I came to this staking section. I clicked on investment. Here you need to know this. You can't withdraw the money you invested immediately. Look, it does this below. Since we deposited money, we can't withdraw it immediately. It usually says it takes 3 epochs for this. Let's not do it locked. Let's not do it locked. Let it be unlocked. And here, friends, let's stake approximately $15. And I just really press send. It will ask for confirmation from your wallet. I gave confirmation to verify your transaction from the finest and small and very convenient wallet. And the transaction is successful. My money is being deposited right now, friends. I confirmed it again. And now I have successfully staked. Now to verify my task, I exited from the solution by clicking the cross, friends. I pressed verify task. And he said, the task is completed. The first task was successfully accomplished. Now I will also make a trade. These future systems are a bit risky, friends. If you are new to the market, you may not want this. But if we stake $15 and say we earn 1.5 rewards, if we stake $100, we would earn 10 rewards. Pro rata ratio. The more bread, the more meatballs. I always use this example. Now we come to Kilo X. I said trade at Kilo X. I clicked on trade now. I'll explain how to withdraw the money deposited soon. Now, here we have long short. Let's open a long position. Now we need a $100 volume here. But on which name? OPM now. Should I not say OPM? Yes, I am on OPM. I pressed long. Let's not do 20x. No need for craziness. 5x is enough, friends. I confirmed at 5x. And actually, since I opened a 5x leverage with $20, it became a volume of 108. I'm opening it. I will confirm again. Confirmed. Confirmed. I am looking right now. My position is open. Now, friends, while there is no loss, I will close the position immediately. I closed the position and gave the confirmation. That's all. I'm clicking the close button. In fact, I just recorded this part, but unfortunately there was an error with the screen recording. So, there's a small change. When I check this part, I complete my task. That's all. I completed both of my tasks easily and practically, even without spending money on the future system. Now here's the thing. How much money can we earn? These tasks, Web3 side earn $10, $20, $30. They earn $5,100. What does this depend on? It depends on how many people will participate. Belief in airdrops in the market has decreased a bit during these times. This is also a good thing. By reducing the number of participants, it increases the earning rate for those of us who are farming. Now, on Binance's Web3 side, there are a few nice airdrops coming, 1, 2 per month, and there aren't many guides about this in the market. I don't make a lot of videos either. I make videos as I like them, as they catch my interest. If you really want videos about this, write it in the comments. Yes sir, we like it. Keep making them. If there is demand, we will continue to make them. I'm going to make a call to like the video. Some friends complain when I do this, but if I don't make this call, you usually don't like the video. I would be very happy if you liked the video. The price is also very intense. There are coins related to Solanola that I am following. Content about these will be coming. It will continue to come. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.